Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Ford Transit. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so. It's on, then we're watching out at the bottom. Now you can either go to phone, which is the easiest one there, add phone, or if you go into settings, Bluetooth, there you go, change vehicle name, add a Bluetooth device. But obviously it's easier to use the phone there. So add phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
So Ford Transit's already shown up at the bottom. I click on that as it tells you to.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
591670. Yes, it does. Pair.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions while your vehicle is in motion.
Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Yes. We're just looking out. Let's try and find it. Be on here somewhere. Ford Transit connected. That's it. Ford systems, their audio system is brilliant. Dead simple to use.